Welcome to our training Compare Amazon's Professional and Individual Selling Plans. When you register to sell in the Amazon store, you select either a professional or individual selling plan. In this video, we'll cover the differences between these plans and how to change from one to the other. As an Amazon selling partner, you have the choice to pay per sale or stick to a flat monthly fee. If you have a professional plan, you pay a monthly subscription fee of $39.99, no matter how many items you sell. If you have an individual plan, you pay 99 cents for every item you sell. You might consider upgrading to a professional plan if you expect to sell more than 40 items per month. With both plan types, you'll also pay referral and closing fees per item that you sell, which vary by product category and other factors. Search fees in Seller University to learn more about how to estimate your fees. Whether you're a professional or individual seller, you're eligible for Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. You can use FBA to not only store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, but to let us handle picking, packing, shipping, and providing customer service for those products. Depending on the types of products you sell, FBA does have a few restrictions. Search FBA in Seller University to learn more about FBA and how it works. For orders you fulfill yourself, you'll see Amazon's standard pricing rates for shipping if you have an individual plan. As a professional seller, you can customize shipping rates for each of your products. Professional sellers are also eligible to sell in the US, Canada, and Mexico. There are a number of Amazon services, tools, and features that are only available if you have a professional plan. For example, professional sellers can add products to their inventory in bulk using an inventory file. By entering product and offer information in a spreadsheet, you can upload multiple listings simultaneously or make quick edits when listings need to change. A professional seller's product may become the featured offer, which can help customers discover your products and lead to increased sales. Other professional plan benefits include the ability to offer special promotions and gift wrapping, and take advantage of Amazon stores, which helps showcase your brand and branded products. You can also access a number of tools that can help you optimize your business. One example is Automate Pricing, which uses rules you create to automatically adjust your product's prices. You can always upgrade from an individual plan to a professional plan to unlock these tools and features, regardless of the number of items you sell per month. If you'd like to do so, or if you want to downgrade your account from a professional to an individual plan, start by hovering over the gear icon in the top right corner of Seller Central. Then select Account Info. Find the Your Services section, click Manage, and choose the Upgrade or Downgrade button in the Sell on Amazon row. Plan changes go into effect during your next billing cycle. If you don't see an option to modify your selling plan, you might be enrolled in other Amazon services that require a professional selling plan. You'll need to disenroll from these services before switching to an individual plan. To learn more about the differences between plans and to review a list of seller account features, search Selling Plan Comparison in Seller Central. Whichever plan you decide on, we're glad you've chosen to partner with Amazon. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.